वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Good morning all. I Aishwarya welcome you all in GI's Blossom International School for Ganpati celebration with all the excitement and enthusiasm for the academic year 2021 and 22. So let's not wait, join the celebration.
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया.
मंगलमूर्ती
मोरया.
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया.
मंगलमूर्ती
मोरया.
गणपति बाप्पा मोरया. गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया.
मंगलमूर्ती
मोरया.
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया.
मंगलमूर्ती
मोरया.
Ganapati Bappa
मोरया.
O Lord Ganesha, one with a huge body, a curved elephant trunk and whose brilliance is equal to billions of suns. May you always remove all obstacles from my endeavors. Lord Ganesh is the protector of his devotees. 8 effigies found among the nature, sculptured by the nature, have been housed in the temples created ages ago at the places where the effigies were first identified. These Swayambhu effigies, now the sacred idols, are the famous Ashtavinayak. There are 8 temples dedicated to Ganesha in Maharashtra related to various episodes from the Puranas and other legends. According to Shastra, first you have to visit Moreshwar of Morgaon, then visit Theur, Siddhatek, Ranjangaon, Ozar, Lenyadri, Mahad, Pali. So, let's not wait and visit Lord Ganesha. Morgaon means village of peacocks and is a combination of 2 words. Mor, which means peacock, and Gaon, which means village. As per the legend, Lord Ganesh, riding a peacock in the form of Mayureshwara, slew the demon Sindhu in response to pleas from the gods. This is the first temple to be visited during the Ashtavinayak temple pilgrimage. Ganesh, as Chintamani, is a god who brings peace of mind and drives away all the perplexities of the mind. Here the idol of Ganesha has a left trunk with carbuncle and diamonds as its eyes. The idol faces the east side. It is believed that it was here on the Siddhatek mountain that Vishnu acquired Siddhi. God Vishnu is supposed to have vanquished the Asuras Madhu and Kaitav after propitiating Ganesha here. This is the only murti of this age with the trunk positioned to the right. It is believed that the 2 saints Sri Morya Gosavi and Sri Narayan Maharaj of Kedgaon received their enlightenment here. The Mahaganpati at Ranjangaon is one of the most powerful representations of Lord Ganesh. Here, Shiva is believed to have worshipped Ganesha before fighting the demon Tripurasura. Mahaganpati is portrayed seated on a lotus, flanked by his consorts Siddhi and Riddhi. The temple dates back to the period of Peshwa Madhav Rao. Lord Ganesha at Ozar is known as Vigneshwara, or the remover of all obstacles which he achieved by vanquishing the demon Vignasura. Girjatmaj Vinayak refers to the Ganesh as the son of Parvati. This is the only Ashtavinayaka temple that is built on a mountain and is set in Buddhist cave temple. The Varat Vinayak Mahad Ganpati temple is Swayambhu and the temple is actually recognized as Mat. Ganesha is said to reside here in the form of Varat Vinayak, the giver of bounty and success. This Ballareshwar temple is the only temple of Ganesh, famous by the name of his devotee. Ganesha is believed to have saved this boy devotee Ballara, who was beaten by local villagers, and his father Kalyani Seth, for his single-minded devotion to him.
जगत्कारणं कारांगणारूपं सुराधीं सुखाधीं गुणेशां गणेशा जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशां परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशां भजेम.
The Supreme Consciousness, which is the cause of the whole universe, from whom everything has originated, within whom everything exists and persists, and within that divine energy everything is again going submerged. This divine energy, which is the reason for the existence of everything, is what we all call God, the Parabrahman or ultimate consciousness, who is none other than Ganesha. We all are so happy inviting and worshipping Bappa every year, but from last 1.5 years we are facing lots of challenges. We being together, we are apart. Schools and offices are closed. The togetherness of celebration is missed by everyone. Students who used to have direct communication with the teacher in class, all physical activities of dance and celebration where everyone worked, practiced together with same enthusiasm has lost somewhere. Children are in virtual classes, sitting in one place with one gadget, and less communication with the teacher and at home. The device has helped them to explore the social media where the outsiders and strangers have turned up as family than the one staying with and around. But this online exposure has taken the world closer that we should not forget. We here bow in front of our Lord Ganesh and request him to remove all the obstacles the entire world is facing and get that happiness, togetherness back again to feel the love and blessings of being a family.
सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची दुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव
रत्न खचित फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा ऋण झुणती नुपुरे चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय
मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव
लंबोदर पीतांबर फणीवर बंधना सरळ सोंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना दास रामाचा वाटपा हे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव
से जनता झूम उठी, उनको प्यारे सब इंसान